Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens quad break number 61 of 13-14 Upper Deck Ultimate. The last ending break was the Edmonton Oilers on September 8th at 7:01 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So to the current day and time, just going to right click, go all the way down to refresh. And it's currently Wednesday, September 9th at 12:47 a.m. Eastern Time. We are streaming live on Breakers TV here, per normal. Also, for anybody that hasn't registered on a break page, really appreciate you did. Do have a few breaks for tomorrow. Most of the breaks will be a go for sure. One lucky person will be getting a autographed Sidney Crosby from one of those breaks. And our serial numbers tonight are NE2211420665587810 8101 and 5180. It's our serial number. So 5180, 8101, 2066, and 5587. We got Sidney Crosby last two digits and Marilyn Lemieux last two digits. Same break. So hopefully for some pretty spectacular boxes. Yesterday was just loaded with patches. And somebody will get the auto patch tonight. So good luck, everyone. So 5180. Talk about a tough pack to rip. I think we might have it right here. Good luck, everybody. Okay, so we start the break off with a base card of Bobby Clark, 321, $4.99 for the Philadelphia Flyers. Next hit is a JT Miller, Ultimate Rookie, out of $4.99 for the Rangers. And I was hoping I was going to say 101. It's number 3 of 10. Going out to the San Jose Sharks. We have a Ultimate Autograph Threads of Antti Niemi. Number 3 of 10. He's on. Nice hit there going out to San Jose. Some of this other patch there, stitching popping on the card. 3 of 10. And right behind that is the Ultimate Rookie Dual Jersey of Sean Monahan. Better grab those last couple of spots there, Paulie. 8101. Yeah, those flew pretty quick. I don't know how many cup cases we're going to do on release night. Because I know everybody's going to be doing, but it's just the price point is going to be so much higher. Unless I advertise in U.S. currency where it looks like it's the best price on the internet. Okay, so here we go. Sorry, just got to tilt the camera over a little bit. So we've got base card of Ryan Getzlaf for the Anaheim Ducks. Next hit is a Ultimate Rookie of Reed O'Bara. 113, $4.99, the Calgary Flames. This one is a redemption, which we'll just turn around and get straight to it. And this one is a Ultimate Collection Autograph Jersey Threads, number 225 of Matt Sundin. I'm pretty sure he's Toronto, but I will confirm that on the Upper Deck website there. So this is the autograph jersey version, number 25. So he's the retired vet version. Similar style as the Niemi we pulled in the first pack. And just for fast, autograph rookie for the Rangers. $20.66. I see a little bit of gold, so it's going to be a masterpiece. So we have a base card of Ron Francis, 66 at $4.99, going out to the Hartford Whalers, which relocated to Carolina. So this is going out to the Hurricane. Next hit is a Ultimate Rookie of Dylan McGrath, $4.96, $4.99 for the Rangers. Next hit is going out to the New York Islanders. We got John Tavares, signature masterpiece. John Tavares. Been quite some time since we've hit one of these versions of JT. And next one is a update ultimate signature from 11/12 of Adam Larson. And it is a rookie year version. Adam Larson. The final box. Quad break 5587. Yeah, we hit Jonathan Toews last case. We've pulled 2 of them already. Those are like bit real SSPs. This one feels like a plumper. And it's a misleading plumper with a big decoy. Okay, so we got base card. Base card of Jaromir Jagr for the Devils. Next one is a Austin Watson out of $4.99 for the Nashville Predators. Yeah, well, you're almost getting like 3 boxes to 1, depending on which store you buy it from. Pretty much you got 3 boxes of 13-14 to the price of 1 14-15. Sorry, Austin Watson, 315, $4.99. Sorry, kind of ranting with the guy. A couple guys in the break in there. The next one is a Ultimate Signatures of Jordan Eberle, going out to the Oilers. Update from 11/12. And finish the break off with Mr. Slava Voinov, going out to the LA Kings. That's Slava. And that concludes our break, guys. So just give me 1 minute here. Excuse me. And quickly look up the Matt Sundin here for you guys. Just want to make sure it's not going to be a big surprise team there. Autograph threads, tier 2. Yeah. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys the serial number again. So it's UAAT-SU number 225 of Matt Sundin. And to Upper Deck's website here. It's the Upper Deck Company. We're on 13-14 Ultimate Autograph Threads. This is a tier 2 because it's numbered on 25. And Matt Sundin is going out to the Toronto Maple Leaf. So congratulations, Toronto, on the Autograph Threads jersey. So that concludes the break for tonight. So last box cut from the 6-box case and quad 13-14 Ultimate again tomorrow night.